Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Brinjal Fry Recipe. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. This classic Goan dish is loved in many homes. Whether you know it as eggplant or aubergine, this simple yet delicious recipe turns everyday brinjal into something truly special. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Brinjal Fry. We'll prepare it in two different ways. One coated with egg for a soft and rich texture, and the other with egg and semolina for that perfect crunch. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Brinjal Fry. Step 1. Preparing the brinjal. We have taken a brinjal weighing around 500 grams. It is also known as eggplant or aubergine. Wash it nicely. Cut off the top part close to the stem and the portion close to the bottom and discard it. Now start cutting the slices of the brinjal like I have shown. Do not cut the slices too thick or else the outer may start burning and the inner may remain raw while frying. Do not cut the slices too thin as they may burn while frying. Brinjal slices are ready. Add half teaspoon of salt in a bowl containing water. Mix it well. Place the brinjal slices in the bowl and soak them for 10 to 15 minutes. This will prevent discoloration. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for marination. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Ingredients for frying. Take half cup of semolina or rava. This will be used for coating the slices. Spread it evenly in a plate. You will also need 3 eggs for coating. Step 3. Marinating the brinjal. Drain the water from the brinjal slices. Place the brinjal slices in a plate or a flat surface and pat them dry with a paper napkin or towel. Sprinkle little salt on each side of the brinjal. Sprinkle little turmeric or haldi powder, a little cumin or jeera powder, a little Kashmiri red chilli powder. If you run out of spices, you can always add more. Once done, turn the slices. Similarly, sprinkle the same ingredients on this side too.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Follow this process for all the remaining slices. We will fry these slices in 2 different ways, hence we will divide the slices equally in 2 batches. We will fry one batch dipped with egg and the other batch dipped with egg and rava. Step 4. Frying the brinjal with egg. Add 2 eggs in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Beat the eggs well. Add 2 pinches of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add 2 pinches of cumin or jeera powder. Beat everything nicely. On medium-low heat in an open thick bottom pan, add sufficient cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, dip the brinjal slice in the egg mixture, coat it well on both sides and fry immediately. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes before turning them. Check and flip them to prevent them from being over-fried or burnt. You can add a little egg mixture on the brinjal slice to coat it well. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Remove the brinjal slice once it is golden brown on both sides. Similarly, fry the remaining brinjal slices in this batch. Delicious brinjal fry is ready. Step 5. Frying the brinjal with egg and rava. Take the second batch of brinjal slices. If the egg quantity has reduced, then add one more egg in the egg mixture along with one small pinch of salt, Kashmiri red chilli powder and jeera powder and beat it nicely. Dip one brinjal slice in the egg mixture and coat it well on both sides. Then place it in semolina or rava mixture and coat it well on both sides. In the same pan, on medium-low heat, ensure that there is sufficient cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, add the coated brinjal slice. This style will give you a crisper texture. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes before turning them. Once they are fried on one side, flip them to cook the other side. Keep checking to prevent them from being over-fried or burnt. Remove the brinjal slice once it is fried on both sides. Similarly, fry the remaining brinjal slices from the second batch. Delicious and crispy brinjal fry is ready. Serve the brinjal slices hot with rice and curry, or you can also enjoy them as a snack. Do let us know in the comments which style of brinjal fry you liked. The one with only egg or the one with egg and semolina coating. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members and help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.